In today's video, I'm aiming to teach you how to upload a file to Squarespace. We'll take a simple button block and connect it to a file so your visitors can download a PDF, an image, or another document right from your page. I'll walk you through each click and share quick tips to keep the process smooth. Start in the page editor. When you're on the section where you want the download to appear, click Add Block. This opens the block library, which is where all the design and content elements live. Choose Button. A new button will drop into your layout, ready to be customized. Hover over that button and click the small pencil icon to open its settings. In the text field, replace the default label with something clear and action-focused, like Download PDF or Get the Guide. Short, descriptive text helps visitors understand exactly what will happen when they click. Next, click Attach Link. This is how you tell the button where to point. In the link panel, click URL to reveal the different link options, then choose File. File turns the button into a direct link to a document stored in your site's file library. Now click the Upload arrow. Your computer's file picker will open. Navigate to the document you want to share, commonly a PDF, image, or zip, and select it. Squarespace will upload the file and store it for reuse. Once the upload finishes, the system automatically attaches that file to your button. There's nothing extra to configure. The button now links straight to the file. Take a moment to double check the button text and alignment so it matches your page style. A couple of quick tips as you work. Use a concise file name without spaces or special characters, since that can become part of the public URL. Keep the file size reasonable for faster downloads and consider exporting long documents as optimized PDFs. Also, share only content you have the right to distribute and avoid including any private or sensitive information inside the file. Depending on the visitor's browser settings, the file may open in a new tab or download directly. If you ever need to change the document, you can revisit the button's link settings and select a different file without redesigning the block. That's it. You've added a button block, set the label, attached a link, switched to file, uploaded your document, and connected it to the button. Your visitors can now click and instantly access the file from your Squarespace page. Thanks for watching and happy building.